It looks like 12 is not working, and I don't know why. Let me see here. One thing I can try to do is, like I said, I'm going to serial print the buttons to try to figure out if the error is with the button or if the error is with the LED. So I'm about to do that now. Sometimes it's just a wire got loose. So the easiest way to check that is to serial.print. So I'm going to come down here. And before I go into any of the if conditions, I'm going to do serial.print, red button, and I'm actually just going to do all of them. It doesn't hurt. And serial.print, yellow button. Yeah, this AI on this TikTok is something else, honey. They are violating my life every time I go live because they think I'm not moving. I'm doing a lot of moving over here. Screen moving, cursors moving, robot moving. I don't know what kind of moving they're expecting here. But whatever moving they're looking for, I'm giving it to them. Okay, so then it's going to be serial.print line, digital read, green button. Okay, green button. So this is going to print zeros and ones. Depending upon whether I have a pull up or pull down, it's going to print 1 or 0. And this is actually connected to, let me see here. It's connected to ground. It's connected to ground. So that means that it should go high when I press the button. Okay, so right? What I was saying is that this 0, this, and this now work. This one is actually reading, but it's not turning anything on. So if I come down here into my code, I don't know what all this stuff is and why it's there. So we're going to delete that. That's weird. Me messing around with that stuff made some stuff show up. I don't know what it is. So now let's take this off. And use in the ways that are most effective and that are not going to hurt people, if that makes sense. All right, so I'm inserting a delay so that I can actually see this running. If you're here hanging out with me inside the room, I want you to like, share, comment on the live. Thank you for helping me meet my gift goals. Thank you so much, Mrs. Boyce. Mrs. Boyce, thank you everyone for helping with the Live Fest 25 goals, Live Wonderland goals, whatever gift goal that is in the upper left-hand corner, which I don't know what it is. Okay, so now I am going to look at this again. What do you mean you can't find the device? Why do you keep losing the device every time I upload? Let's try this again. Okay. Yeah. So it is definitely this yellow button. So let me check the wiring. It's got to be the wiring on wherever it's reading because it is working just fine. So it looks like it's at 27, 26, and 25. And I think I just found a mistake. The wire is off by 1 row.